What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for fun.
Fun, sir?
Fun like vacation. I like trees.
Sir, please step to the side.
Hello, everyone. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Jack, the man who almost got investigated because of trees.
Today, we are talking about airport immigration English.
A very important topic, and apparently a dangerous topic for me.
If you travel internationally, immigration officers will ask you simple questions in English. But many learners panic, forget everything, and suddenly speak like a confused 5-year-old.
That was exactly me.
So today, we'll help you sound calm, clear, and confident at the airport using real English conversations.
And by the way, if you want to improve your real-life English every day, subscribe to the channel. We make easy, practical English lessons for everyday situations.
Okay, Jack, tell everyone what happened in Canada.
We landed at the airport. You went first. Easy, fast, beautiful experience.
The officer smiled at me.
He practically adopted you.
Jack exaggerates.
Then it was my turn. The officer looked at my passport and asked, "What is the purpose of your visit?" And my brain completely stopped working.
Even though you practiced before the trip.
Exactly. I wanted to say, I'm here for tourism. But instead I said, I'm here for fun.
Worst possible answer.
The officer stared at me for 5 full seconds. What kind of fun, sir? Then I panicked and said, fun, vacation, trees.
Trees.
Canada has beautiful trees.
The officer did not care about the trees.
Not at all.
And this is important for every English learner watching right now. When you speak to immigration officers, keep answers short, simple, and clear. Do not try to sound advanced.
The 5 most important immigration questions.
First, what is the purpose of visit?
Good answers. I'm here for tourism. I'm here for vacation. I'm here for business. I'm visiting family. Bad answer. I'm here for fun.
Please learn from Jack's suffering. Second, how long will you stay?
Be specific. Say, I'll stay for 1 week. I'll stay for 10 days. My return flight is on Friday. Never say, maybe forever.
Someone actually said that once, as a joke.
The officer did not laugh.
Third, where will you stay?
Simple answers. I'll stay at the Grand Hotel. I'm staying with my cousin in Toronto.
Always keep your hotel booking ready on your phone.
Screenshot everything. Hotel, flight, tickets. Trust me, airport stress deletes your memory.
Fourth, what is your occupation?
This means, what is your job? You can say, I'm a teacher, I'm an engineer, I'm a student. Short answers are best.
Fifth, do you have anything to declare?
This question scares many travelers. Declare means officially reporting special items like large amounts of money, food, plants.
Jack once forgot an orange in his bag.
1 orange ruined my confidence for 20 minutes.
Declare your fruit, everyone. Now let's talk about the most important part. What if you don't understand the officer?
First, do not guess. Guessing creates bigger problems. Instead, use these magic phrases. Could you repeat that, please? Could you speak more slowly? I'm sorry, I don't understand.
These are not bad English phrases. These are smart communication phrases.
Okay, everyone. Repeat after Olivia.
I'm here for tourism. I'll stay for 2 weeks. I have a return ticket. I'm staying at a hotel. I have nothing to declare. So, Jack, after 25 stressful minutes, what did we learn today?
Never say, I'm here for fun,
And never explain your love of trees to immigration officers.
even if the trees are beautiful.
Today's challenge, write 1 sentence in the comments using this phrase. I'm here for...
Tourism, business, visiting family.
We read every comment.
And if today's lesson helped you feel more confident speaking English while traveling, give this video a thumbs up.
And subscribe for more real-world English conversations every day.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Stay calm, speak clearly.
And protect your oranges.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.